Oh shit, what's up, bro?
Whatever.
You cooking up something here? Yo, you can really tell how much work you put in this, because like you can hear the low ends coming in a lot, but then it's like they ride over the mid frequencies and splash at the high frequencies. It's crazy how you mix this shit.
Uzi was supposed to hop on this.
Can I turn this up?
Bro, feel free. Let me just add some shit real quick.
You wanna add some shit in there?
We'll add some shit in real quick.
Yeah, nigga. You selling this?
Of course.
How much is it?
$6,099.
What? Bro, that's a fucking great deal, bro. So, my man,
Bro.
sold. I got that stuff, keep it in the cup, keep it in the truck, and my fucking money stacked up. And I got a whole bunch of fans.
Yeah, this is...
What?
You should do something a little more serious.
Huh?
You should do something a little more serious.
You're not, you don't like what I'm rapping?
Nah, it sounds like you want to be early Tyler really fucking bad. You know Tyler the Creator, right? Nah, bro, dead ass. You,
so
sounds like you're biting, bro.
You want me to rap some serious shit?
Be more serious, bro.
You want me to rap some serious shit?
Your meme shit's great, but this... you gotta stop it at some point, bro.
Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna make some serious music. You gonna fuck with this. You gonna fuck with this, bro.
Say less.
Say
less.
Man, spawn me up.
Say less.
Spawn me up.
Say less.
I'm a twinkle toe on this. Watch this. Watch. I'ma kill you, nigga. I'ma find your ass. I'ma hit you with a